Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change wiper blades on a Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. This prepares the arm for the next steps. Now let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the hook. Once detached, carefully lower the wiper arm back down, or hold it, to prevent it from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. Installing the new blade is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely fastened. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's locked in place before carefully lowering the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Don't forget to repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. Once both are installed, test them by activating your windshield washer fluid. This ensures they operate smoothly and clear your view effectively. Remember to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months for the best visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.